This is my Mamod se1 working after refurbishment and running in. And a few slight soldering issues. It's actually running at the moment with a little bit too much water in, but it's working, and it's running at a speed that it hasn't run up for a long time, so doing really well. Running on surgical spirit. A lot of people run them on meths, but I find that surgical spirit runs cleaner. It doesn't blacken the boiler, and if you can see in that, you'll see the flame is nice and blue, almost like as if it was running on natural gas. And it is running on surgical spirit. You don't believe me? There it is. The only thing is, obviously, with surgical spirit, after a bit of research, is that it contains castor oil, which over time can your fuel absorbent material can get a little bit clogged up. So easy fix: get into the loft, get an handful of wire wool. It's not wire wool, loft insulation foam, rock wool, that's the word. Just strip it all down the burner, pack it so it's really compressed. And what I do at the moment, this is running on 2 syringes worth, 10mm syringes they are, so there's 20mm of surgical spirit in there. Starting to slow down a little bit now. If I was to stop that, leave it build up a bit of speed. And the other thing you can notice as well is you listen to a lot of videos on YouTube, and they sound quite noisy. I'm running this on 3-in-1 oil, straight direct into the piston, into the oil port there. I've also stripped out this piston here, oiled inside. All moving parts have been oiled with 3-in-1. I have used car 530 fully synthetic, but it tends to go milky, and but I mean, it might be down to a little bit of both. So if you want to mix them, then that's pretty good. Or like get a little brush with engine oil, coat it, and then for your running oil, use 3-in-1. There we go. A little bit of soldering I've done there is that she did make a slight mistake, because the captive bolt that goes into the boiler was loose, and it was looking like it was going to drop in. This part here has been soldered, that's brand new, all the housing, and so is that part there. Unfortunately, the nut for the pipe won't come off because the solder had a little bit of a hiccup, but it's doing the trick, and there's no steam leak, so I'm happy with that. 1956 it was built. was my granddad's, and I'd say it's back to its former glory. Thank you for watching. Mamod se2, I think, or maybe an se1, not 100% sure. But yeah, there it is. Thanks for watching. Bye.